It is estimated that Uganda has 20,000 people living with albinism across the country. Olive Namtebi, the director of the Albinism umbrella, says that people living with albinism continue to face challenges while they go to health centers seeking treatment. They have ended up being treated for general diseases suspected to catch people living with albinism.
Many professionals think when we go to these hospitals that our challenge is skin and eye. No, we are human beings who can suffer from every other condition. So we have, for instance, in Hoima Regional Referral Hospital, Dr. Harry Mpeo, whenever there is a person with albinism, go to that doctor. Go to that doctor. And I have malaria, so anybody else can treat me.
However, for pregnant women, antenatal services are usually difficult to get by.
A woman, and we've had these stories across the country, for expectant mothers, they go early to these clinics. And they'll serve everybody else, and like 2-3, that's when this mother is being attended to.
This has forced a section of these women to resort to traditional birth attendants, which poses a challenge to their lives.
Many have resorted to other like traditional birth attendants because they're the ones who could readily support them.
This does not stop in the health sector, but also in the education sector, where learners with albinism are facing challenges, although the Ministry of Education is trying to address the shortfalls.
Learners are supposed to sit in front of the class because they do not see well. Albinism across, they have poor sight, but also they also need a lot of light to see. So you may be at the front of the class, but if there isn't enough light, you will still not see. So we shall look at a child, a particular child, and then we address the needs of that particular child.
Policy details the rights of each category of persons with disability, including persons with albinism. So on behalf of government, we are convinced, we are sure that working together with civil society, working together with the private sector, the lives of persons with albinism are in safe hands.
There has been advocacy for sunscreens for people living with albinism to scrap taxes of these products. They are now urging government to buy sunscreens and provide them to people living with albinism. Juma Kiria, NTV.